Hello guys, you might wonder how people float in the Dead Sea as if they're weightless. But first, let's learn some facts about the Dead Sea in this video. Imagine a turquoise mirror tucked into Earth's lower crevice, a place so dense with minerals that you don't just swim, you hover. This is the Dead Sea, a liquid paradox at the lowest point on Earth that bridges ancient mystery with modern crisis. A deep history, geological roots born from the Great Rift Valley. It is a remnant of the ancient lake, Lisan. Over millions of years, seawater evaporated, leaving behind massive, concreted salt layers. Ancient utility. Egyptians harvested its bitumen for mummification while King Herod and Cleopatra used its mineral-rich mud for the first health spas. The scrolls. In 1947, shepherds discovered the Dead Sea Scrolls in nearby caves, 2,000-year-old manuscripts that remain one of history's greatest archaeological finds. The physics of floating. The water here is roughly 34% salt, nearly 10 times saltier than the ocean. To understand how people float in the Dead Sea, let's first know what buoyancy is. Buoyancy is the upward force exerted by a fluid that opposes the weight of a partially or fully immersed object. Because the water is so dense with minerals, it pushes upward with much more force than normal water. Since your body is less dense than this heavy brine, you bob on the surface like a cork. For example, if I take an egg and put it in a glass of water, the egg will sink. This is because the egg is more denser than the water. But if I take some salt and put it in this glass of water and mix it, and then I put this egg into the water, the egg will float. This is because the water is more denser than the egg, making the egg float. Is it dead? Mostly, yes. The salinity is too extreme for fish or plants. However, it teems with extremophile microorganisms, such as specialized bacteria and algae that have adapted to thrive in the intense salt. The current crisis. The Dead Sea is shrinking by about 1 meter every year because its water sources are being diverted. This has triggered a dangerous sinkhole. As the salty water recedes, fresh groundwater moves in. This fresh water is hungry for salt and dissolves massive underground salt layers. Large invisible caverns form beneath the surface. The ground eventually collapses into unpredictable sinkholes, turning beaches into no-go zones. From ancient scrolls to modern sinkholes, the Dead Sea is full of wonders and warnings. If you found this dive into Earth's lowest point fascinating, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and share this with your most curious friends. What bizarre fact or mysterious locations are you dying to explore? Next, comment below and let us know what we should uncover in our next video.